Also tonight, former hospital patients fighting back after being put in financial jeopardy. They were victims of identity theft, and now they're suing the hospital for allegedly not doing enough to protect them. Our own Eileen LaPalmer is in the newsroom now with more. Eileen?
Well, Stone and Lake Success attorney claims that members of an identity fraud ring are working within North Shore LIJ. She filed this class action lawsuit claiming that the hospital system hasn't done enough to stop it or notify patients whose identities have already been stolen. It's a story you saw first on 12.
Violated, totally violated.
Paulette Schramm of Manhasset spent 4 days in North Shore LIJ Hospital in April of 2011 and then quickly noticed something was wrong when credit card bills kept coming for things she didn't buy.
They stole my information from the hospital. They created a license out of the state of Georgia. They then went to Bloomingdale's and made numerous purchases totaling close to $5,000.
Paulette and another former patient, Catherine, are now among a dozen involved in a class action lawsuit against North Shore LIJ. Their attorney, Bonita Zelman, says hundreds, if not thousands, of former patients may have had their private information stolen. She says the hospital hasn't notified all the patients or put safeguards in place to stop it from happening.
The hospital has not been forthright with the public. It's outrageous. Hospitals are required to encrypt their patients' database identifying information.
2 people have already been arrested in connection with the identity theft of former North Shore patients. But Zelman tells me there are more people connected to the ID theft ring that she believes are still working in the hospital. North Shore spokesman Terry Lineman says he can't comment on the criminal investigation, but said the hospital has already notified 200 patients and changed security surrounding patient information.
Essentially limiting the amount of information that is available to the frontline workers when patients come in for treatment.
And Lineman says over the last 11 months, there have been no more reports of patients having their identities stolen. But that's little comfort for Paulette.
And now, for the rest of my life, I have a monkey on my shoulder wondering what next.
Well, I reached out to the Nassau District Attorney, but a spokesman said her office won't be commenting on the investigation or that civil suit. Stacey?
All right. Thank you, Eileen.